With all the debate around the shutdown, you might have forgotten that the legislation that at the center of all the fuss actually goes into effect today. 1,300 days after being signed into law, Obamacare is here.
Woohoo!
So now what? Well, starting today, millions of Americans will be able to start using the state-run health insurance exchanges established by Obamacare. And Americans without insurance will have until March 31st to purchase it through the exchanges before facing potential penalties. Now, buyers can either purchase through exchanges run by the federal government's healthcare.gov website, or they can purchase it through state-run websites in states like New York, Rhode Island, and Massachusetts. And consumer benefits established by the bill will also go into effect. So that means that health insurers will no longer be able to deny coverage to buyers on the basis of pre-existing conditions. John, first of all, let me just mention that USA.gov, other government websites not working today, but the health insurance exchange websites are working today. Maybe a little bit sinister.
I love the irony of this, that we've spent the last couple of days and weeks talking about we need to shut down the federal government in order to, or the only ways we're going to prevent a shutdown is defunding Obamacare. And here we are, October 1st, the government shut down. 800,000 people are being laid off. PandaCam is turned off. The EPA is shut down. USA.gov isn't working. Obamacare is here. The Obamacare websites are open. And Obamacare is fully functional and operational. The irony is, it's kind of comical that, we go through all this fight. Obamacare's here. The government isn't here. So who knows? Maybe this is what the Tea Party was looking for all along. Health insurance and no PandaCam.
Well, and by the way, the president there was a tweet from the president's account today. It said, "This is huge. Today, millions of Americans finally have the chance to enroll in quality, affordable health care. Hashtag get covered." He's getting good with those hashtags, President. On one hand, is this going to give, maybe not those people that are full-time federal employees who presumably already have benefits, but other people, maybe this will give them a little bit of a chance to sit at home and actually check out the
bright side is
it's probably a complicated process to figure out what your premiums are going to be.
Right.
So if you're not going to work
bad news is you don't have a
today,
job. The good news is you have plenty of time to understand this health exchange thing. Yeah, that'll go over well. Boring File Clerk writes in and says, "Is the GOP endgame to hand over the Dems, both houses, and the White House in the next elections?" Well, we'll certainly find out, but most importantly, at HuffPost, we'll keep you in step with what's going on here. Check out the live blog, check out everything that's going on to find out how we handle day one of the shutdown.